Here is Dongguang Fashion Machinery, where workers are busy with intense processing work to ensure that orders can be delivered on time. Every worker sticks to their post. The U-shaped keel machine is a type of mechanical equipment used for producing U-shaped metal keels. Widely used in the building decoration industry, mainly for the installation of ceilings and partition walls. Equipment features: high degree of automation, easy operation, reducing labor costs, fast production speed, high efficiency, meeting the needs of mass production. The equipment is stable and reliable, with low failure rate and simple maintenance. If you want to know more, please contact us.